Hey friends, this is our today's task, and we are going to see that we want to make this type of this isometric view. So for that, they have given here this is orthographic view. So how to identify in which angle? So I have given the idea about that. This is our viewer, which is view from this side, and this is our whole figure. So this is our its front view, and this is the front view, and this is the top view. So top view is upper side of front view, means this is the third angle projection. So this is the right hand side view. So how, like this, you can identify this is the top view, front view, and this is our right hand side view. So after that identifying, we can easily draw any task. Okay.
Okay, so we are practicing in SolidWorks for that. So we have seen this image and we have identified the first to draw this. So first view is front view. So how to make it? So okay, we need 25. So means diameter is 50. So okay, let's start in SolidWorks. Firstly, we should take a front plan like this. Right click on it and sketch. Okay, and another thing is that make a line. Okay, so take this line upper side and we later give the dimensions. Okay, now it is completed. Now give its dimension to here. So how was this? Okay, all is uh, this is 25. Okay, this is 25 and this all. So all is 50 plus 25. 50 plus 25, 75. Okay, so we keep dimension here 75, and this is also 35 plus 25. So 35 plus 25, 60. Okay, so 60 give it here. 60. Okay, and it's both distance between is 15, and it has also same 15. Okay, and now we are going onwards to make in 3D. So for that we are going to extrude button and click on extrude up to how much, okay, so up to, okay, to 50. Yes, 50. Yes, is it okay? Yeah. Now we are create this shape. So how we are going to create this curvature shapes here round? So for that we have to choose in the fillet section and choose fillet and 25 radius and click that here. You can also directly select by this. Firstly we, if we use this is okay, this is okay, like this. If you want to create by another method, so how you can do it, I'm giving that. Choose this fillet and round corner which we need. So for that we click on fillet, and in that we can choose here full round fillet. After that, items to fillet. First face, this is okay. Second face, this is okay. Third face, this is okay. Now you can see the demo in the full preview. Partial preview, no preview means you should select this and click OK. Again, so for first again we give here, so fillet and select this face. After that select this face and select this face. So automatically it generates its radius for its size. So this is regarding to this. Okay, and now we are moving forwards that how, what another things we want to mix. Yes, we want to mix ribs another. So for that we are going to take one plan and make uh, its line. Okay, rib, it's called rib. Yes. So, okay, let's go ahead. So I have taken, which plan is beneficial here? No, it is not. Yeah, front plan is beneficial if it is center. So how to keep it center? So for that choose the one another plan from here. How to choose the plan? This is the plan here, and parallel, we choose parallel to here. No, we want to do different things here. That is plan. Yes, select first this and after this, so it will automatically become in center. Yes, So now we want to create here one line. So we going to see its distance, so which is here from up from top surface to here 10 and here 10. Okay, so 10 10. Okay, so we are going to create one line here to here. Okay, and make it from distance to from this up to 10. Okay, and here is another thing is here to here also 10. So 10. Yes, right, we have created it. Okay, now not to worry about anything, we have to create rip. So for that, in our SolidWorks they give such a good command that is name is rip. So rip, yes, they automatically select. I only click here and they automatically select here. If you want to create in left side, right side, but right now we need in center. And how much its depth, how much its thickness? Yeah, its thickness is 10, so it is right here. And okay, we don't need any its angle. Yeah, it is made here. Look, now its plane is seeable. So what we are going to do, going on plan, right click and we hide this, so we can easily see that. So it is made here. And if we want to color it, so we are going on this appearance, edit appearance, and give any color which we want, like this. Okay, so this is our made. Now for verification of this, we are going on the, yes, we are going on the engineering drawing. So for that, we are firstly save this file, save as what, this is our practice, this is our practice video. So we are going to save its practice and practice new. Okay, so now we are going to create its engineering drawing. So for that, I have taken this A2 sheet. You, as per your need, you can take this. After that, select the parts. Okay, so browse this file, open it. This is front view, this top view, it's here, this is side view, it's here, and it's, yes, we can create all that view which we need. After that, we want to create like this. So how we are going to do this? So firstly, I want to change the color of this for more attraction. So for that, I am giving it to select it and color it. Yeah, it can see that you can color here. And after that, select this all and go on annotate.
Hey friends, if you like this video and its content, so please like the button, and you want to more updates on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on this bell icon, so for that you will get notified for more updates. So thank you friends, and if you need any improvements, so please comment on me. Thank you for your wonderful support.